In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the Friendbound Mutation and grow a garden on Roblox. This mutation has a 70 times multiplier and looks amazing with its pink glow and floating hearts. To get the Friendbound Mutation, you'll need to purchase a friendship pot. This is a divine item that you can buy from the shop. It's essential for creating the mutation. Link it with a friend by having them interact with your friendship pot. You both need to be in the same server for this to work. Both you and your friends must interact with the pot after every 21 hours to create and maintain a streak. This is crucial. Missing the 21-hour window will break your streak. And the best way to get friend-bound mutation frequently and grow a garden is by linking more pots. Yes, the more pots you link with different friends, the greater the chances of getting this mutation. And that's how you get the friend-bound mutation in Grow a Garden. Remember to maintain those friendship streaks and link multiple pods for the best results. The 70 times multiplier mutation is totally worth the effort.